Namaste. This is Shammi Gupta, and today we are here and you are joining us for full moon, or actually strawberry moon meditation. Today is Purnima, so the moon is full, it has complete light of sun, and this particular Purnima or the full moon is called strawberry moon. It is called so because it marks the beginning of the harvesting season for strawberries. Usually the moon looks pretty big. Not actually it is the biggest one of the season, but it looks big because it is close to earth. Usually when we do moon meditation, we do it outside with a group of people. But because of the current situation, we have started doing moon meditation from the house only. So we just try to locate moon. It's unfortunately because of the weather, we are not able to see moon over here. We gaze for a while, we sit down, and then we start getting into different meditation. When we do this meditation, we actually, once we settle down into a particular posture, we start doing different kind of pranayam. It could be very simple, it could be with a lot of kumbhak and all, depends on what somebody wants to do. So in today's this session, which is a live session, which has been organized by Your Life for all of you to experience the meditation live, we are going to do some very simple meditation. So moon and meditation. So basically meditation, we all know it is a process in which we start merging with ourselves. Moon has very significant role in yoga. It connects with the Ida Nadi, which is cooling down the left side. It works on bringing all the characteristics of moon. So when you do moon meditation, you start calming down. At the same time, a lot of intense thoughts or some sort of negative thoughts which is going on is purified, and you start transferring or transcending into a positive energy. So let's start for today. Okay, sit down. In any posture you want to sit, you can sit. You can see I've taken a meditative chair. When you use a meditative chair, it becomes very easy to settle down properly with your spine in neutral position. When your spine is in neutral position, it becomes easy to coordinate and to involve more and more into breathing. When you have neutral spine, the flow of breathing is not disrupted. If you don't have a chair or anything, if you want to take support, or if you want to sit on a normal chair, you can do that. If you want to take support of the wall, you can do that. If you are somebody recovering from some problem, you are not able to sit, you can just lie down very comfortably. So we are getting ready for today's session. Settle down, close your eyes. If you are sitting down, your sit bone is grounded to the chair or the floor or the bed. Your spine is in neutral position. Start relaxing each and every part of your body. Relax your shoulders. Gently bring shoulder blades close to each other so that you can feel opening in your chest. Make sure there is no curvature at the mid-back. So gently push your navel in and the area below the chest in. Once your spine is neutral, you will not feel stress in any part of your spine. You can feel lightness in the body, lightness in your thought, in your mind. Take a mental look at each part of your body. With each exhalation, start releasing each and every part of the body. Usually, the moon meditation is done towards the night, We are done with the dinner. The stomach is empty, and once after this meditation is done, we are not supposed to talk to anybody, but just go and lie down so that the sleep which takes place is sound in nature and we reap all the benefits which are required in today's life. So we are beginning to settle down into the posture. Start watching your breath. Bring your attention at the navel, the center of the navel. As you have fixed your attention to the navel, bring it beneath the navel, and you will realize there is gentle movement beneath your navel. Watch that movement. In that movement, your stomach is coming out gently in front as you inhale, and it is going in as you exhale. Watch that momentum. It's a very soft movement. It is gently blowing as you inhale and releasing into its original position as you exhale. This simple process of watching your stomach going out and going in will bring immense relaxation, not only in your body but also in your mind. Watch that, and with each inhalation, fill your body with energy, and with each exhalation, drop all the thoughts, all the stress, anything which doesn't add any value to your life into the flow. Watch for a while. You started moving your attention slightly up and traveling upward to upper chakra. So the navel on which you had fixed your attention, move your attention upward from the navel and bring it at the center of the chest. Check your heartbeat. If you are following the instructions I am giving you, chances are that your heartbeat would have settled down, relaxed. And once your heartbeat settles down, your thoughts stop in numbers or start reducing in numbers. Check your heartbeat. As you inhale, open at the center of your chest gently, as if your breast is going apart and up. As you exhale, bring that expanded part into the chest. Watch that action of your chest with each inhalation and each exhalation. It's expanding out and apart, going in with exhalation. Continue to watch that. Keep your face relaxed, smile, and automatically the face will become relaxed. You are filling up your chest in front. So as you inhale, fill your stomach, fill your lungs completely with air, with oxygen. When you exhale, empty your lungs completely. Deeper and deeper you move into filling up of the process and emptying of your lungs, you will start feeling release in your body to the extent that you won't even feel that your body is existing. You are breathing into the chest, in front of the chest, breathing at the side of the chest. So along with the front of the chest, watch the side of the chest. Inhale and exhale through all these areas. Expand the side, expand the front, release the side, release the front. Or expand the front, expand the side, release the side, release the front. See, whatever way you can engage those areas. Move your attention at the back of the chest. Now as you inhale, you are filling up the front of the chest, the sides and the back. And when you are exhaling, you are relaxing the back, the sides and the chest all together. Feel that lifting effect with your breath as the body is becoming lighter and lighter. We are inhaling and exhaling through the second section of the body, the thoracic area. Let's combine the abdomen and the chest. So bring your attention at the center of your navel. As you inhale, expand the navel out to the maximum and then expand your chest out. This is happening during one inhalation. As you exhale, relax your chest, relax your abdomen. Again, as you inhale, expand your abdomen to the maximum and then your chest. As you exhale, relax your chest and relax your abdomen. You are continuing with this breathing in which your abdomen and chest is combined for 5 rounds. And as you start getting deeper into it, you will realize that after inhalation, there is a spontaneous pause, shunya, no breathing. Be with that pause. That pause can be for 2 seconds, for 3 seconds, for 5 seconds, for 10 seconds, whatever it is. Merge into that pause, immerse into that, and then exhale. Continue to do so for 5 rounds. Your body is becoming light. You won't feel existence of your body by now. Mind has become very light. There are no thoughts. It's you in terms of your awareness and your breath. That's all. We are going to further enhance our breathing to move deeper into ourselves. Eventually, what is meditation? Meditation is the process in which we start merging into ourselves. We have already started that process. We are getting deeper and deeper into ourselves. Bring your attention again at the center of the navel. Mentally you are watching the shape of the navel, the bindu at the center of the navel. You have created a point or a bindu at the center of the navel. That bindu is getting activated. Your Manipura chakra is getting activated. Watch that area. If you inhale and exhale deeply through that area, anything associated with your digestive system, with your reproductive system will be sorted out. As you start activating your Manipura chakra, you start drawing two lines, two vertical lines from that center of the navel. You started drawing that line. Those two lines have started traveling upward, starting from the navel. Those lines are coming up in V shape, traveling up, and those lines are stopping at the center of your nipple. You have started inhaling into those V-shaped lines from your navel to the center of your nipples, and you have started exhaling through those lines, moving at the center of the navel. Continue this process of inhaling into that V-shaped line, reaching out to the center of your nipples, and exhaling down, traveling down from your nipples to the center of the navel. You have started enhancing your prana into your body along with the activation of your chakras. Feel that lifting effect as you inhale and wholesome relaxation as you exhale. Continue to do that. Continue to create that V shape with each inhalation and continue traveling down on the V shape to reach the navel with exhalation. Stay with that V shape breathing. Will further enhance this V shape. The purpose of enhancing the V shape is to enhance your breathing, get deeper into your breath. So again bring your attention at the center of the navel. Start traveling into the V shape from the center of the navel to the center of your nipples. Pull those strings or the lines further up and bring it into your shoulder bones. So the lines have extended upward, gone to the right shoulder bone and the left shoulder bone, and you have created a longer V shape. Start traveling down with exhalation on that V shape, starting from the shoulder bones, traveling down to the center of the nipples, further down at the center of the navel. Inhale through that. As you inhale, maintain the length of your inhalation. As you exhale, travel down the V shape to reach to your navel. Continue with that breathing. You started moving deeper into yourself along with your breath. Keep checking your spine. Your spine needs to remain neutral. so that you don't divert the flow of the prana. You can come back to normal breathing and watch your breath for a while. If you can hear the sound of the rain in the background, start meditating on the sound. Focus on that sound. Visualize the moon as if you are lying down on your terrace or on the grass and you are gazing at the moon. Mentally continue to gaze at the shape of the moon. It's a full moon. Connect with the light of the moon or the light which is reflecting on the moon. Imbibe that divinity, that light into yourself. Stay with the shape of the moon. Gradually bring that shape into yourself and place that shape of the moon or the moon in between your eyebrows, the location of Ajna Chakra. Mentally you are gazing at the moon, which is located right now in between your eyebrows. Continue to gaze. Stay with your deeper inhalation and deeper exhalation. You are beginning to imbibe the characteristics of moon in yourself, that calming down effect. Experience the calming down in your mind, in your breath, in your body. Each part of your body is relaxed. Each cells of your body are getting rejuvenated with that relaxation. We have activated the parasympathetic nervous system, which leads to deeper relaxation and maintains the homeostasis of the body. Stay with it. If you are close to your mat or close to your bed, or if you have the option to lie down on the floor, very gently lie down. With minimum movement, without opening your eyes. Lie down and maintain the stability of your breath and body. For the next few minutes, try and experience the stability of your body and mind. Stay with that. Try not to talk to anybody. Try and continue to remain connected with your breath. Your body will start moving or dipping into the floor, so that you won't feel the existence of your body. At this time it is already night in India, so try to remain quiet, calm and go to sleep in this position. Don't distract yourself with light or with talking to somebody. If you have really stayed with me, chances are you have connected at a much deeper level with yourself. Try and remain connected so that you have a better understanding of yourself. Connect with all the right thoughts, the positive feelings, so that you drive divine power in yourself and you continue to spread that power, that source into others. I'm closing this session for today. You be with yourself, and whenever you feel like, you can close on your own. Don't be in a hurry. No fast movement. Body has gone, the mind has gone into stability mode. Continue to keep it in this stability mode. Thank you so much for being part of this moon meditation, the strawberry meditation. Hope to see you soon and hope you have enjoyed the deeper relaxation.